Civilian helicopters.
Trực thăng dân dụng.
Civilian helicopters. Civilian helicopters are commonly used for tasks such as tourism, passenger transport, surveying, and personal purposes. These helicopters feature compact designs and are easy to operate. Ambulance helicopter.
Trực thăng cứu thương.
Ambulance helicopter. Ambulance helicopters are equipped to quickly transport patients from remote areas or locations that are inaccessible by other means. They are fitted with modern medical equipment. Police helicopter.
Trực thăng cảnh sát.
Police helicopter. Police helicopters are used for patrolling, pursuing criminals, search and rescue operations, and supporting surveillance activities. These aircraft are equipped with night vision technology and advanced camera systems. Army medical helicopter.
Trực thăng y tế quân đội.
Army medical helicopter. Army medical helicopters are designed for medical evacuation and providing emergency support in combat zones or challenging military conditions. These helicopters are often capable of withstanding enemy fire. Fighting helicopter.
Trực thăng chữa cháy.
Fighting helicopter. Firefighting helicopters are used to extinguish fires in hard-to-reach areas. These helicopters are typically equipped with large water tanks or buckets to drop water or fire retardants from above. Military helicopters.
Trực thăng quân sự.
Military helicopters. Military helicopters are designed to perform various missions, including transporting troops, cargo, and supporting operations in combat areas. They are equipped with advanced weaponry and surveillance equipment. Heavy lift transport helicopters.
Trực thăng vận tải hạng nặng.
Heavy lift transport helicopters. Heavy lift transport helicopters are used to carry large loads, including military equipment, construction materials, and relief supplies. They have a robust structure to ensure safety during flight. Search and rescue helicopters.
Trực thăng tìm kiếm và cứu hộ.
Search and rescue helicopters. Search and rescue helicopters are equipped to carry out emergency rescue missions, locate missing persons, and perform medical evacuations. They are often fitted with modern medical equipment. Attack helicopters.
Trực thăng tấn công.
Attack helicopters. Attack helicopters are designed to engage in direct assaults and provide ground support during military operations. They are equipped with powerful weaponry and advanced sensor systems. Drone helicopter.
Trực thăng không người lái.
Drone helicopter. Drone helicopters are remote-controlled aircraft commonly used for surveillance, surveying, and data collection without the need for a pilot's presence. They are equipped with modern sensors and cameras. Aerial crane.
Cần cẩu trên không.
Aerial crane. Aerial cranes are helicopters designed to lift and move heavy objects, often used in construction and installation of large structures. They have the capacity to carry significant payloads. Children's ambulance helicopter.
Trực thăng cứu thương trẻ em.
Children's ambulance helicopter. Children's ambulance helicopters are equipped to transport young patients safely and quickly, especially in emergency situations. Training helicopters.
Trực thăng huấn luyện.
Training helicopters. Training helicopters are used to train new pilots, featuring a simple and easy-to-control design. They are equipped with technologies that help students effectively develop their flying skills. Naval Helicopter.
Trực thăng hải quân.
Naval Helicopter. Naval helicopters are designed to carry out missions at sea, including search and rescue and anti-submarine operations. They are often equipped with weapons and sensor systems.